things, and then it comes up the back of the valley, it gets in the cam bearings, and then it runs up to lifters, and then it comes out to the rocker shafts and all, and that's how it oils. So you just think if the car's sitting for a long time, you don't use some clingy oil or like zinc. When you fire it, it's metal on metal until it gets oil pressure, which a few seconds or 10 minutes, it still wipes out the bearings.
Yeah, by then it's too late.
Yeah, that's why we always recommend using the VR1 Valvoline 50 It's the best in the business I've seen. Real clingy, it's all good, got high zinc, so you can't hurt it. So it's starting to come through here now. This will be the last one side. Alright, this is why you run it on the engine stand, because it had the pretty good leak back here, and it had a little smoke coming out of here. So that's why you always try to run everything on the engine stand, because you never know. Even though you take the best care, you got the best engine guy, it don't matter, things happen, everybody's human. Even I make mistakes. No. But it's best, because in that car, when you put the motor in the car, everybody that's ever seen one or owned one, there's no way to get your hand in here. So, I mean, if you look at the top of the motor, when they were doing everything, see how they've got everything marked, the heights? I mean, they do great work. It's just the intake was torn up because it's, what, 40-something years old? And he had to weld it up. And we had this discussion before we put it on, and I said, well, it's a number matching. I don't know if we're going to find one without breaking the bank. So we usually have pretty good luck. Well, our luck ran out today because it leaks out of here. And we think the problem is in this port, because this was the most that's tore up. We think that it's sucking oil. That's why it was on the video. You'll see it kind of popping. So we're going to examine it first, try to make it good for the customer. It's not a plug and play like a brand new LS or Coyote swap or something like that. Then you got people like this that work for you. They got nothing better to do than stand around and look at you thinking they're somebody.
We're trying to learn something. You're having a teaching moment, weren't you?
I'm going to teach you something with my foot. So we got to go back to work. I got to get this apart because this man wants to see it run. Fix, I ain't got no damn gas. Come on, dude. I thought you were covering me. I'm making me look good. That's what you're here for. Made me look good. See? Some gas. Look. See? I can't get there, but anyway. Yeah, if you give me this, hold on, what's up, 2 gallons?
2 gallons of what?
110. 110, yeah, 2 gallons before we're gonna fire back. No leaks, no drips, no airs. Oh, look at it, he's bringing the goose juice now. That's the good stuff. Hey, don't worry about getting it on the floor. I got everything else on the floor.
116?
No, that's 110, baby.
Are we gonna get the perfect pour here?
Oh, absolutely.
Man, that's Eli. He's bad to the bone, baby.
Hey, as Kenny said, he's here to make him look good.
Yeah, he is here to make me look
Time
good.
someone.
That's what I said. That's
We've
a tall
all tried,
order.
failed
That's
miserably.
a tall order right there.
Come on, baby.
I need a little time in it.
Well, I got plenty of that. You can come see it today. I'm done now. I'm done playing. Firing your ass now, boy. Firing your ass.
Go ahead. We're all gonna die.
Here, I hope you get that thing done.
That's right. That'll scare me. Put it right up in there. Hope you got fire insurance. Hit the start button. Let's light the fire and smoke the tires. Probably a good idea to put the stop on. It does get a little aggressive with the throttle sometimes. Let's ram it home. Cross thread's better than Loctite.